Hi everyone, my name is Saumil Vora. I'm a product manager here at Wasabi Technologies. Today I'll be walking you through the simple steps to sign up for our new Wasabi Surveillance Cloud product, as well as the software installation, and finally connecting the software to your Wasabi Surveillance Cloud account. Wasabi Surveillance Cloud is a bundle offering which includes the Wasabi Surveillance Cloud software with a Wasabi object storage subscription. Now, before we get started, all you need is an email address to sign up for the Wasabi Surveillance Cloud account and a Windows machine to install the Wasabi Surveillance Cloud software. You can find the minimum system requirements for the Windows machine as well as all the installation instructions at this link.
All right, let's get started. The first step is to sign up for a free 30-day trial at this page by clicking on the Try Free button. If you are an existing Wasabi subscriber, you will need to use a different email address to sign up for this new WSC account. Once you fill the form, you can hit the Get Started button and you will receive a confirmation email. On this confirmation email, click on the Create Account button. This will redirect you to a page where you can set a password for the Wasabi console. Let's go ahead and set the password here. Once you set the password, click on the Sign In button. At this point, the account has been created. Let's click on the Continue Your Trial button, and this will redirect us to a page where we can download the Surveillance Cloud software. Let's click on the Surveillance Cloud software link. Before we install the software, let's log into the Wasabi console and create a new set of API keys.
Once you are logged into the console, let's first create a set of API keys, which we're going to later use to connect the Surveillance Cloud software to the storage account. Root user is fine, going to click create. I'm going to save these to my notepad for now, but we strongly recommend storing these in a secure location. Let's also copy the account ID, as we're going to need that to enter into the Surveillance Cloud software as well. So just click on settings, and right at the top, just click on the clipboard.
Finally, let's go ahead and install the Surveillance Cloud software on the Windows machine where the VMS application is hosted.
The installation takes about a couple of minutes, doesn't take too long. I'm gonna hit next here, gonna accept the terms agreement. So here we're gonna select the VMS software that is being used in this environment. Now for this video, I'll be selecting the Access Camera Station since I'm using ACS on this server. WSC does not change any settings on the VMS, it'll just adjust its own settings to interoperate properly with the VMS that you're using. Now once this software is installed, it opens up a configuration wizard window where we're going to enter our account information, our API keys to finally connect the software to our Wasabi Surveillance Cloud account. So I'm going to hit finish, and that's the config wizard. So we're going to enter the email address that we signed up with. Now I'm going to paste the account ID. So here we can also configure the replication source as well as the target. So for example, my access recordings are in the C drive recordings folder. I'm also going to select the service endpoint, the region where I'd like the recordings to be stored in. And I'm also going to paste the API keys that I copied earlier. And finally, I can also change the name of the bucket from the default to something custom, like my Access recordings, let's say 2023, and then hit the configure button to apply. And that's it. At this point, the surveillance cloud software is ready to start replicating. This is a summary of the configuration that is being applied. So as you can see, we have the disaster recovery policy, which is enabled by default. This is going to replicate everything for the C drive recording folder to the Wasabi bucket. If you want just replicate the older recordings to Wasabi, you can use the storage extension settings, and this will extend the local storage to Wasabi. And finally, this is the configuration we just added, showing the bucket and the region where the bucket is located. This is the folder on the local storage, and you can see it has the surveillance cloud icons indicating that the folder files have been started to replicate. All right, so for more information, please use the surveillance cloud knowledge base section. You can also reach out to Wasabi support for any additional questions. Thank you for watching.